Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys all of the new items that the mask body can wear on Dress to Impress. Starting with the items in the pink currency items. You can wear this super cute hood. You can also wear this. You can also wear this and this and this. You just can't wear the dress. Then you can equip these items on. You can almost equip everything from this collection. I think you can equip everything, as you can see. For the coat items, I think you can wear the helmet, and you can bring the wand as well. Sorry, equip the wand. From the set, I think you can only use the bags for the Robux sets. And then on the outside here, you can wear this chest plate. You can wear the scarf. You can put on the butterfly. You can also wear this on, the flower set, as well as this set here, and then this headband. And then for the one in VIP, you can only wear the robot fit. Here, as you can see, you can wear the robot fit. You can also bring the mixing bowls. Unfortunately, you cannot wear these ones. And then lastly, it's just reworked, but it's this what's it called? It's this top right here. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!